the ingredients for my taco stuffed baked potato. I have green onions, sour cream, my seasonings, ground cumin, taco seasoning, chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, ground turkey. You can substitute that for ground beef or any type of meat that you like. Onions, sliced jalapeno, tomatoes, hot carrots, black beans, which is optional, and sharp cheddar cheese. So let's get this ball rolling. All right, the first thing we're going to do is get these potatoes washed and scrubbed. So, I like to take my vegetable brush, which is what I use to get all of that dust and dirt off. You want to brush that really good. And I only have 2 today, so I'm going to get those done real quick. And then we'll move on to our next step. Well, I've dried these off. And now we're going to add olive oil. Give them a good massage. This olive oil all over. All right, I've placed these beauties in the air fryer and I'm going to set it at 400. I'm going to go ahead and get started on our meat. Get that all chopped up and ready. My meat is coming along. Ready to send. Now it's time to add my onions and my seasoning. So, and remember, this is ground turkey, so I didn't have to drain my meat because there was not any fat content in there. So that's one good thing about turkey. You don't have all the fat that beef has. So now we're going to let that cook for a little bit, and then I'll probably be adding, I'm going to taste it and see how it is. I may have to add a little more seasoning. So I definitely didn't need to add any seasonings. It's perfect. So now I'm going to add a little water to loosen it up a little bit. Probably add a little more than that. Just a bit more. And we're going to let that cook and simmer for a little bit. You can hear it, probably hear my air fryer in the background. I think I have about 7 more minutes left to go. And then we'll be ready to go to the next level. Now I'm cooking my beans, and I keep all the juice that's there, all that's staying in there. I'm gonna use all that juice, every little drop. I'm gonna cook those. We're gonna mash some of them once they get soft. We're gonna put not a whole lot of onion. I don't want it overpowered with the onions. So got that going. And I'm gonna add our seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, a little lemon pepper, and a little taco seasoning we're gonna add. This is my taco seasoning. I got this seasoning from Dollar Tree, guys. I love it. And we're gonna stir that up real good, and we're gonna let that cook down. And this is gonna be a topping over our baked potato. Cook for a little, maybe about 2 or 3 more minutes, and then we'll be ready to plate. All right, my beans are done. My meat is done. My potatoes are done, so now it's time to drop the mic, grab the fork, and plate her up.
Look at this beauty. Doesn't it look delicious? I hate that I lost my video to show you how I put this together. But you know, with a taco, anything goes. You can assemble it however you like. But try this out and let me know how you like it. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be able to get all the videos as I post them. Have a blessed day.